Mike has very, very good detailed work, which I think sets him apart from a lot of other people.
So he is dedicated, driven, and child-focused.
Mike is very caring. He cares about his school. He takes ownership, but also cares about the kids that are in the school. And he's done great work with them.
Even on those rough days where a lot of things are happening, things are broken, he still knows that he is here to support teachers who are here to support kids. And he never loses that. I
hired Mike about 10 years ago as a janitor and watched him grow through the district. And he really just stands out. He's really a dream custodian.
He recognizes that being in an elementary school isn't just about keeping the floors clean and cleaning up after lunches and puke. He knows and recognizes every day that he's in a place of education, and he knows that his role is key in making sure that happens smoothly.
I think one of his biggest accomplishments is becoming a head custodian in the time frame that he did. But one other thing that's really special is he has earned his facility certification through WASBO, and he had done this all on his own dime. So the initiative that he had for that was great. He wants to learn.
Moving into this position as the head custodian, going back and furthering his education, and additionally, really managed the building as his first year as the head custodian, far better than I've seen the building managed. But he interacts with the kids. If somebody's having a hard time, he's going to stop what he's doing and go help that child. If somebody's having a behavior that's going to be difficult for them or others, he's going to go over and help them correct that and get back in spot. If somebody's doing something great, he's over there commending them for that behavior.
Congratulations to Mike. Well deserved, and look forward in the future for you going to many, many different places.
It feels like an honor to me to be able to accept something like this, and it makes me know that my work is recognized, and that makes me feel good and feel proud. I would like to thank my principal at my school, Mike Rule, for giving me the opportunity to take the job as the head custodian, and also like to thank Dave Hull, my previous custodial supervisor that was here when I accepted the award.